So the aim is you've got to build a marble run that will last 60 seconds going round. I'll give you 5 minutes in your teams to have a little huddle and think about what you maybe need to get together, and then you'll get 20 minutes. Okay?
So we can use tubes and flat surfaces as well.
Yeah.
So you building like a platform. Oh, are you splitting them? Oh, that's good.
One and half them.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Try and get it up. Ice and
Needs to be up, and then someone has to hold it, and then have it be.
Right.
People's like,
yeah.
So what we do is we fill this full of water,
Right.
right? And then we start to let it drain, and the marble. So then it slowly goes down.
Did it come up? It's just on the edge. That's good. Yeah, that'll come. That's good. So it's on a tiny angle. That took about, I don't know, 5 seconds. It's 5 seconds down.
5 seconds to go.
Yeah, that's all flying straight to the bottom.
Careful now.
Oh, you're kidding me.
Make a boat for it. There's like the great tub in the kitchen.
It sinks, the marble sinks.
Try it.
Is it going to work?
They're smaller marbles.
Okay, just make sure that nothing's like sticking out because the marble might stop. So it should not stick.
This is craftsmanship, huh? Precision craftsmanship.
And we need someone to drop the marble in.
Yeah.
And then run back. Will we just try it with this bigger marble and see
Yeah.
what happens? Right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Stuck there.
And 3, 2, 1, go.
Clear.
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 Still rolling, still rolling.
Still rolling.
I'm not touching it either.
There,
Stop.
30 seconds.
Yep, there.
We got this technology from NASA. Some of the materials have been meticulously tested. Just let everyone know. You ready?
Hang on, go. This is only our like, third attempt.
Oh,
Ready?
I've got my stopwatch ready.
Are
Yeah,
you
ready?
doing one or are you like?
I've got a stopwatch here.
Yeah, check a couple down.
Aye.
Yeah. Okay.
Right.
There's one.
There he is. Keep it backwards. It's all part of it.
22 seconds.
Three, two, one. It's half a minute right there.
Right, don't you even move yet.
Well, it's my absolute honour to announce the results of the 360 marble race in a very gallant third place, I must say, with 22 seconds is the Super Duper Troopers. Come on, the honors. Well done. Bravo. Excellent effort. In a closely fought second place is Team Squeezled with 24 seconds. Bravo. Very close, very close. Actually storming away with first place. It's the A team with an amazing 30 seconds. And we have team captain. Exactly, yeah, second one up. Congratulations. Thank you. Not only do I send you home with a marble for you to remember this day by, but also a Head Squeeze t-shirt. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. True champion.
Are you enjoying Head Squeeze? Is your head suitably squozen? If so, why not subscribe? It's down here, look.